Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to talk to you about the chin-up squat. This is a creation from Dr. Schwartz, the father of heavy hands, and he calls this like a long strength training. And basically what you do is you have a bar set up about clavicle high for yourself, and you're kind of killing two birds with one stone here. You're doing squats and chin-ups at the same time. So you're getting whole body activation or use. So you're using your whole body. But I like this because you're going to a deep full squat, and it is helping you. But you're also getting to hang, which is just good in general. But you can do your chin-ups as you squat. And the cool thing is that you use your legs as little as you need to, but as much as you need to. And you can really focus on the guns and the back, and you can get in a great amount of volume of chin-ups, but it's gentle. So I like this because you can really get your blood flowing. I mean, you can pump up the guns for sure, but you can focus on your back and your arms with less stress on your tendons or your elbows. And again, you use your legs as little or as much as you need to or want to. Now, Dr. Schwartz has you doing this forever. You can do this for minutes or time, or you can just do it for reps. But it is a great way to focus on your arms and your back, which our back in America, maybe the rest of the world, we don't really focus on our back as much. So you can really work your pullers, but you get good range of motion. Again, so I'm hanging now. This is good for my shoulders, my tendons, my elbows. But as I'm doing my chin-ups, it's just less body weight. And my legs they're just there. But if I got really tired, I could start to use my legs to pull me up. But I'm still getting full range of motion, full flexion in my shoulder and my elbows, full flexion in my shoulders, full flexion in my knees and my hips. There's just so many good things going on in this one movement. Full squat, full chin up, full range of motion, especially if you set the bar at the right height for yourself, if you have the ability to do this. Again, though, it's just a tremendous exercise. You can really strengthen your upper body, really get some good mobility to your lower body. And it's just easier on the tendons for the elbows, and it makes you feel good. It gives you that feeling of vitality. Anyway, give that a shot. It's the squat chin-up, or the chin-up squat. It's a member of the LongStrength family. I don't know if that means anything to you or not, but this is a fantastic movement to sprinkle into your strength training, or your mobility training, or your U training. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.